Good afternoon, all of you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon, beta. Good afternoon.
Sir, sir,
Good
I am
afternoon, sir.
from Shivaji Maharaj. Sir, I have done it in previous class.
Sorry?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, how I have drawn Shivaji Maharaj
Okay,
in previous class.
just a minute. Just a minute. Let me see. Arey wow, very good, beta. Excellent.
Thank you, sir.
Wonderful.
So today what revision you are taking?
We will be doing revision of 2-3 chapters today
Excuse me, sir.
together.
Sir, till now we have done combinations.
Sir, can you give some questions of triangles and quadrilaterals?
Yes. See, it is on your screen. Okay, all of you, start doing. Everyone, start doing the first question and post your answer in the group quickly. Keep your videos on. Be a little quick. Okay. Is it there on your screen, all of you? First question. Three angles of a quadrilateral are 105, 30, and 80 degrees. Find the fourth angle of a quadrilateral of the quadrilateral. Have you all started doing?
Yes, sir.
Keep your video on, bachcho. Jayesh, Dev, Samrid, Nihit.
Okay, sir.
Sir, my camera is on. Sir, my camera is on.
Okay. How many of you have done the first one?
Sir, I.
done.
Sir, I have done.
Sir, I have done first one and second one both. And
Very
send on
good.
WhatsApp group.
Sir, please see my.
Beta, till now, Nihit, Varin, Samrid, and Jayesh have posted the first one. What about the rest of you?
Sir,
Nihit,
please check my second one also.
Nihit, you have not mentioned the property. Angle
Sorry, sir.
from property. Varin Goyal not mentioned the property. Answer is correct. Property not mentioned. Samrid, correct. Very good.
I have mentioned now.
Jayesh, correct. Jayesh, no. Jayesh,
Yes, sir.
105 plus 30 plus 80 is 215, not 275. And then when you minus 360 and 250, you get 145. Some are
Sir, I
posted.
have sent it again the correct one.
Okay. Some are correct. Varin Goyal, correct. Varin Goyal, second one correct. Varin Goyal, you have not written the formula. Radius equal to diameter divided by 2. Directly you have written the values. Write down the formula also, Varin. And all of you,
Sir,
please
in the
keep
second
your
one,
videos
please
on.
can you tell us how to write, because I have forgot how to write the all method and formulas.
You just have to write the length of diameter, which is given diameter equal to 37 centimeter. In the next line, you will write radius equal to diameter divided by 2, and then find out the radius.
Sir, I have written radius is equal to 37 divided by 2.
Write down the formula first. Radius equal to diameter divided by 2, and then put the value radius equal to
Please, I
37.
have sent the second and third in the WhatsApp group.
Sir,
Okay.
so now we are doing which one then?
Varin Goyal, have you corrected the second one? Have you written the formula?
Sir, please tell me again. I was going to.
I told you to write down the formula. Second one.
Sir, radius is equal to
Radius equal to diameter divided by 2. This is the formula. Or you
Okay,
can
sir.
write half of diameter also. That also you can write. Okay. Nihit, correct. Third one.
So is my answer
Samar and
correct?
Anshuman. Anshuman first one correct. Samar second one correct. Devarya second one correct, but formula is not there. Dev formula is not there. Jay,
Okay, sir, I will.
you have corrected the first one. Good. And the second one is also correct, but you have missed one step in the second one. First write diameter equals to d upon 2, then write radius is equal to diameter upon 2, then write 37 upon 2, and then write 18.5 centimeter. You have not written the unit also. 18.5 centimeter. Noel, Ashvik, Anshuman.
Is the third answer 86 centimeter?
Which one?
The third.
Correct.
Okay, sir. Sir, I have sent in my third one also.
Noel, second one correct. Varun Goel, third one correct.
I sent it third.
Ashvik, first one correct.
Excuse me,
Anshuman,
sir.
second one correct.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sir, nothing like. Sir, is my third one correct?
Checking.
Good.
Devarya, third one correct. Samrid, you have not written the second. Sorry, Samrid, you have not written the unit in the second one. Samrid, unit.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. That I have sir, that I have realized when I have sent.
Hmm. Noel, third one correct. Summer, third one correct. Anshuman, third one correct. Second one also correct, and first one also correct. Anshuman, all the three correct. Jayesh, third one correct. Keep your cameras on, everyone. Ashwik, second one correct. Ashwik, first and second correct. Samrid, third one is correct. Apurva beta, the answer of second one is 18.5 centimeters. 37, when you divide 37 by 2, you will get 18.5.
As my
Okay.
First one is correct. Apurva. Shaurya, again, answer of the second one is 18.5. Shaurya.
Okay.
Devarya, this is answer of third question. The area, find the area for triangle in which height is 25 and base is 14. Centimeter square. Correct the unit. Devarya,
Okay, sir.
fourth question.
Sir, please check the last. Sir, at the last. Sir, I have corrected the units and then sent. Sir, at the last.
Okay. Varun Goyal, fourth one correct. Anshuman, fourth one correct. Samar, unit is wrong. Fourth one. Centimeter square, make it centimeter square. Apurva, third one correct. Apurva. Devarya, Dev, this is fifth one. Okay, correct. Nihit, correct. Fourth one is correct. Ashwik, third one correct. Shaurya Gangwar, third one correct. Devarya, third is correct. Second is correct. First is correct. Fourth is correct. Fifth is correct. Samrit, this is Samrit, the formula is wrong. Area of a triangle is half into base into height. You have written length into breadth. You are finding area of triangle, not rectangle. Samrit, correct it. I hope you all are correcting your mistakes if there is any.
Yes, sir. Sir, please check my fifth one also.
Beta, Nihit, fifth one is wrong. Area is already given in the fifth question. You have to find the length, not the area. Nihit Agarwal.
Area. So I think we have to find the area in the last say fifth one.
Anshuman, fifth one correct. Jesh, you have written the formula afterwards. Okay, answer correct, Jesh. Samar, centimeter, question 5. Length, unit of length is centimeter, not centimeter square. Samar. Wherein not written the unit. Fifth question. Shaurya Gangwar, fourth one correct. Apurva, fourth one correct. And Devarya, the sixth one. Okay. Answer is correct, Dev. But when you are writing the second last step, Dev, are you listening? Dev, Dev, are you listening? Yes, Dev. Dev Arya, can you hear me?
Yes, sir,
He's
sir. I
on.
have gone for drinking water. Now I have come. Yes, sir. So, are you saying something to me?
Yes, I'm saying, Dev, that in question 6, second last step, in the
Yes, sir.
left hand side, you should write length equal to this. Length.
Okay, sir. Sir, length equal to this.
Length equal to whatever you have written. You have not written
Okay,
anything in the left hand side. So just write length there.
sir. I have written length.
Hmm.
Sir, or my sir, after this, all my answers are correct. Sir, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Very good. This is Varun Goyal. Varun, fifth one correct.
Hold the question. What can I do now?
Just wait, we will do more questions. Beta, Samar, unit of height is centimeter, not centimeter square. Formula you have written correctly. You have done the calculation also correctly. You have written the unit wrong. Samar. Apurva correct, fifth one. Nihit sure hai. Nihit, you have not written the unit in the last one. Sure hai, fifth one correct. Who is this? Not Acha Anshuman. Anshuman, all answers correct. Very good. Excellent. With proper
Sir, I have
methods
also done
and
my. Oh,
formulae and everything is correct. Anshuman. Neat and clean
Okay,
work
sir.
also. Very good. Samrid. Fifth one now correct. Fifth one is correct. Samrid, have you corrected your fourth one?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Coming 175 centimeter cube.
Sorry.
So by basically I've said centimeter cube. It is 175 centimeter square.
Okay. Jayesh, fifth one correct. Samar, sixth one is correct. Fifth one is correct.
Says my fifth one is correct, Jayesh.
Yes.
Okay.
Apurva, sorry, Sure is sixth one correct. So have you all completed all the questions?
No, sir, I'm doing the last one.
Yes, all of you. Have you all done?
No, sir. I'm on last step.
Sir, where is the sixth question?
Beta, there are 6 questions.
Yes, sir, I'm asking that. Where is the sixth
This
question?
is the 6th one.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Can we start with more questions now, all of you?
No, sir, I'm doing the last one.
Okay, I am giving you the questions. Those who have done, they can start doing, and the rest of you can complete your 6th one and then start with the 7th one. Okay,
Sir, please check my sixth question.
just checking. Jesh, wait for some time. So all of you, this is a word problem. If the base of a parallelogram measures 7 meter and its area is 105 meter square, comma, then how much is its height? Question mark. Start doing this 7th question, all of you. Jayesh, 6th one correct. Noel, 4th one is correct. I think you have not divided 350 by 2. I think you must have done it on the next page. Yes, correct. Unit, Noel, correct the unit. 175 centimeter square, 5th one. And 6th one is correct. Ashvik, 6th one is correct. 5th one is also correct. Samrid, last one, 6th one is correct. Okay, start doing the 7th one, all of you. The seventh one correct. Yes, correct. Seventh one. Noel. Seventh one correct. Rest of you, please send your answers of seventh one also. Samrit and Anshuman. Samrit correct. Beta, you're not writing the name of the shape. Many of you have not written it. Please, whenever you're writing the formula, suppose you're writing the formula of area of a parallelogram is equal to base into height. So write down the name of the shape also there. Area of a parallelogram equal to base into height. You're only writing area equal to b into h. Okay, everyone understood? Got it or not? Will you all make the correction?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Uh,
but you I also. Sir, please check my also seventh one.
Okay. Correct.
Sir, before Anshuman, I have also sent.
Yes, Samar, correct. I have seen. Anyone left? Seventh question. Any doubt in any question, all of you? Is there any doubt in any of the questions?
No, sir.
No doubt.
No, sir.
Okay, then we will be now ending the class. The meeting is almost over. Okay, we will meet on Monday now. So prepare your these two chapters, area and perimeter and area, and the second one, volume. Prepare both the chapters, perimeter and area and volume.
Okay, sir.
Okay, all of you.
Okay, sir.
On Monday we will have a revision test on this revision. Okay,
Bye, sir.
bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye, all of you.